Okay, who is she? Day number 6. I am legit in my workout clothes and this cute visor that I did a DIY on. I'm like, who is she? So I'm definitely feeling more comfortable in the skates and spinning. Still get wobbly from time to time, but I'm just gonna practice today, just try to like get super comfortable with wearing the skates and spinning and all that fun stuff. So we'll practice the tricks later. Just got my AirPods in and gonna do a little dance sesh. Gotta keep practicing. Another day of practice. I feel like I made some good progress. Feeling way more comfortable. Actually, my the stop came off today. I fell. I wasn't filming it because the little thing came off on the end and I had to re-tighten them and re-screw them. I didn't know that I needed to do that. So it wasn't a bad fall, but yeah, just wanted to check in. Spins are still boo. And the moonwalk, I feel like it's getting better. just a workout. Sun is setting on my 10th day and I'm feeling much more comfortable with spins and turns. Still can't do the static spin. A little wobbly still. Catch myself kind of like, I feel very comfortable in it, but I still catch myself once in a while kind of like losing my balance and stuff. But I think this week has been a good week of progress. I'm feeling more comfortable stopping, which is a good thing, but still just getting really comfortable on the skates. That I definitely see progress, which makes me happy. So it's been super hot here in LA, so I've only been able to skate either early morning or late at night. So I'm gonna try to use the rest of the sun to skate, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you did enjoy this, let me know, leave a like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you all later. Bye!